Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On 16 June, Salesian John Paul Mutombo Matala was ordained a priest in the church at the Salesian Oratory in Slema by the imposition of hands and consecratory prayer of the Archbishop of Malta, Archbishop Charles Skikluna. The ceremony was concelebrated by the Apostolic Nuncio to Malta and Libya, Salesian Archbishop Xavier Hon Taifai, in the presence of the Superior of the Merry Help of Christians, Vice Province of Malta, MLT, Father Paul Formosa, numerous Salesians and faithful. As the school year draws to a close for thousands of students attending Salesian schools, the Fundacio Salesianos communication team has already begun to prepare for the new school year. The team met on 16 June in Sao Jos Parish in Sutabal to plan the new year in the presence of Father Alvaro Lago, in charge of accompanying this sector at the provincial level. Father Lago team presented the team with some challenges for the future, without losing sight of the pastoral perspective of work. Topics such as the organization, formation and productivity of the team were addressed, with elements to make an evaluation of the year's results. In the coming months, the work will focus on the organization of the communication for World Youth Day, but also on the preparation of some projects that will be presented next year. Ongoing are the development of the pastoral theme for 2023-24, the preparation of the Congress of Merry Help of Christians, the new version of the Anima application, however already available on the App Store and Google Play Store, the production of some editorial content, investment in social networks and new collaborations, and the enhancement of the means available to the province. Father Tarcisio Morias, who will take up the post of Provincial of Portugal next August, was also able to meet briefly with the group, giving various indications regarding the areas on which to pay more attention. The Salesian San Juan Bosco School in La Liena de la Concepcion hosted the first edition of the Salesian Sports Day from the 5th to the 9th of June. The atmosphere of joy, feeling of unity and Salesian spirit has permeated every moment, creating a unique experience for the 400 students from the 8 participating schools, the center's management explained. The boys and girls showed an exemplary attitude. Good spirit prevailed in every sport discipline, where students showed their passion, enthusiasm and respect towards their peers. The collaboration of the Municipal Council, chaired by the Councillor for Education, Sebastian Hidalgo, and the Councillor for Sport, Javier Vidal, was the key to the success of the event. Fundamental to the development of the event was their unconditional support and recognition of the value of the promotion of sport and Salesian values in young people they added from the centre. Various local sports clubs, the Parents Association at the school and the Alequeras Veteran Referee Sport Club also played a fundamental role in the organization and conduct of the days. These days on the field have been focused on sports competition but also on the promotion of Salesian values. The students showed solidarity, fellowship and respect at each event, congratulating each other and sharing moments of joy and satisfaction. Over 100 teachers, employees, Salesians and sisters from various Salesian vocational training schools gathered over the weekend of 17 to 18 June for a day of meeting and training on the theme, Be Yeast in Today's World. After the initial greeting from Father Barnabas Lian Phong, Superior of the Province of Vietnam, several speakers spoke on different topics. Father Peter Nguyen Viet Quang Minh, SDB, spoke on how to share the mission with the people. Simon Nguyen Tan Sai, SDB, spoke on divine behavior in adolescence, and finally Father Joseph Do Duc Dung spoke on how to deal with possible problems of abuse in Salesian settings. The program continued with a cultural exchange between schools, moments of entertainment and friendship. The following day began with a mass celebrated by Father Barnabas Lian Phong and continued with some moments of sharing in a family atmosphere and a final thanks to the provincial and the rector of the Phuc Law community, Father Peter Huang Min, for the careful organization. The Salesian Corporators ASC Spirituality Days for Krakow Province PLS were held from 2nd to 4th of June at the Shrine of the Mother of God, Queen of Poland in Sizik. The Salesian Corporators Yeast in Today's Human Family was the motto of these days of recollection and prayer. Participants were able to learn about the history of the Polish Salesian martyrs from the Second World War, share the experiences of their meetings with St. John Paul II, and reflect on the words of sacred scripture. The center of the day was the Mass and prayer. On the last day of the meeting, Sunday 4th June, inside the shrine, 5 aspirants made their promises during the solemn Eucharist presided over by the Superior of the Krakow Province PLS, Father Marcin Kanowski, and concelebrated by his Vice Provincial, Father Zygmunt Koska, and by other Salesian priests. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.